I needed something warm and cozy tonight, so I'm making my go-to chili. It's simple, it's comforting, and it hits every single time. If you're in the mood for a cozy, easy dinner, this one's perfect. Starting off with a little oil in the pot, I'm going to then add my ground beef. You can add ground turkey if you like. I'm going to brown that up until it's cooked all the way through. The meat is just about ready. I'm going to go ahead and add in my diced and chopped up onions with garlic. You can also add bell peppers if you prefer. I just didn't have any this go round. Next up, my personal favorite part, seasoning. Make sure you season generously. You do not want bland chili. So I'm going in with a plethora of different seasonings. We have paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and I did go in with a little bit of my Creole seasoning just for a little bit of an extra kick. And for convenience, the whole recipe will be listed down below in the description box. So make sure you check that out when you go to create this. Next, we're going to go in with our sauces. I use roasted garlic tomato sauce, regular tomato sauce, and stewed tomatoes. Usually I would do crushed, but I couldn't find any, so we went in with stewed, and personally, I didn't notice a difference. And I went in with about a cup of beef broth. Now, I forgot to capture this, but I did add black beans and kidney beans. And I covered that and let it simmer for about 30 minutes or so. I love to set a vibe, so I went ahead and lit my burnt orange candles to just elevate the moment of cooking. What do we like to call it? Romanticizing. So after about 30 to 40 minutes, I really just dove into this chili. Make sure you dress your chili the way you prefer. I use cheese, sour cream, and green onion. Also, I recommend trying jalapeno. It's pretty tasty. And that's pretty much it. Simple, warm, cozy chili, perfect for a foggy, gloomy, rainy night. If you try this, let me know. Thanks for hanging out with me tonight. More cozy cooking videos coming soon.